Good morning, guys, and welcome to day 23 of my keto challenge. We have another gorgeous morning, and we're going to start it off by going for a little run. Okay, workout complete. Today was a busy day around La Paz. We had to get some errands done. We had to get our oil changed, fill with water, fuel, all those things because we want to be ready to get on the ferry tomorrow to mainland Mexico. Unfortunately, I don't have a whole lot of content to show you for the day, but I thought that I would talk to you a little bit more about my progress and my goals. If you recall my video from a few days ago when I was talking about the things that I think I'm doing well and the things I need improvement on in keto, I had to mention in there some goals that I had. And my goals were to add in apple cider vinegar, to exercise, and to move to 1 meal a day. Now, the apple cider vinegar I've done really well with. I have not missed a day. And the exercise I've also done very well with. I'm either running or I'm doing strength training. And for sure I'm going for long walks with Lincoln every day. The 1 meal a day is proving to be quite challenging, but the one thing that I have been doing is trying to have a fasted window. So I've been doing about 18 hours fasted, and then I'll have a meal early afternoon, and then we'll have a supper meal, and then I don't eat again till the next day. That's been working really well for me, although I still do have that goal for 1 meal a day, and I really hope I can achieve that in the next couple of weeks. We are already on day 23, and this is my 30-day challenge, so I'm really excited to see what my results will be at the end of the 30 days. All right, guys, let's get to some supper. Tonight we're going to be doing some Portabello mushroom pizzas. For our Portabello mushroom pizzas, normally I would do these on our grill outside, but unfortunately the wind has picked up and we have to improvise and do these inside. So first things first is just to very gently remove the gills. And you want to be careful just to not disturb any of the mushroom, or you'll have a hole in your pizza. Cameraman's eating the stems. Don't want to waste anything. Next step is butter, and we're going to use quite a bit. I'm going to say about, probably for sure, half a stick. We'll add more if we need. I only have room for 2 at a time, so we'll start with the stem side down. Give them a couple minutes on that side. Now we're just going to flip them over to the other side. A few more minutes on this side. My butter's burning a little tiny bit, so I'm just going to add some avocado oil. Take down the smoke point a little bit. Take up the smoke point. Take up the smoke point. These guys are coming along perfectly. We'll just do them until they're soft. All right, I think these guys look good. Transfer them to a paper towel. And repeat. All right, we have some pretty good looking salami here, and I'm just gonna dice it up a little bit. Salami for cameramen. Now we're gonna add some tomato paste to the inside of these mushroom caps, and just a small amount. This is kind of high in carbs. Mushroom caps back into our pan. And the heat is off, it's just a warm pan, that's it. And then we're gonna add our tomato paste, probably about a tablespoon to each one. Now some oregano. Top each one with some salami pieces. Top with some cheese. Now this one is a lactose-free cheese for one of our friends, so I'm just gonna mark it. And then the rest of them we're gonna top with mozzarella. Okay, now I'm just going to turn the heat on again for maybe 30 seconds and cover the lid, and then we'll turn the heat off. Now for the reveal. They look awesome. Thanks again, guys, for following me on my keto journey and also my big adventure journey. I hope that you will hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content, and we will see you again tomorrow.